Hi, today we have another problem with a disorder of the eye, and it's the opposite of the problem that we had 2 days before. 2 days before we had entropion, and now we have ectropion. Now a quick review of what they mean. This is the eye, this is the lower eyelid, and this is the upper eyelid. Now entropion is, this is the eyelid. Let's suppose that this is the eyelid. So this is the regular position of the eyelid. Entropion is when it turns inside, like that. The eyelid is like that, and it's turning inside, like that. That's entropion. We did that already, right? You can see here in a profile, it's turning inside, right there, right? Now, ectropion is the opposite. Ectropion is when it's turning outside, like this. Outside, like that, right? And the reason why it's turning outside is because there's a cicatrix here. There's a cicatrix here, and that pulls the upper eyelid out like that. Okay? So once you have that idea, we're going to go to the path, how we find the problem is ectropion due to cicatrix, left upper eyelid. So we're going to go to the path, and Stephanie's going to show you how to find the code while I hold the camera. All right, so let's start step by step.
Ectropion due to cicatrix, left upper eyelid.
Left upper eyelid, okay. The first step we have is?
First one is scar is cicatrix in singular, cicatrices in plural, and cicatricial is the adjective.
Okay, so just be careful that if you find any of those word form of the words in our path, they all mean the same thing, right? So we have one code to find, right? So the code 1, index.
Go to index.
Go to index.
Go to ectropion.
Which is the main condition, ectropion.
Then you go to eyelid.
Eyelid.
Then you go to cicatricial.
Cicatricial.
Then you go to left.
Left.
Then you go to upper.
Upper, right? And we have tried several other paths, but we cannot have come up with any other path. If you find another way to get to the code, please tell us so in the comments. But with this path, we find this code, H02.
114.
So that's we're going to do that in the book now. Just a review here of what we're going to do. You can pause if you want to check what we're going to do, and then Stephanie's going to do it. All right.
Here we go.
So we start with
ectropion.
We go to the index and look for ectropion, and then
we go to eyelid.
Eyelid.
Then we go to cicatricial.
Cicatricial.
Then left.
Left.
Then upper.
Then upper. And then we get this code, right?
H02.114.
H02.114. Okay? So that's the code we have there. Where is it? There. H02.114. Now we check this in the tabular. How do you check in the tabular?
This is the first tabular.
Right.
First you go to tabular.
Tabular.
Then you go to H02.
You start with the first 3 characters, H02. What are those?
Other disorders of eyelid.
Right. Then you add one more character, H02.1 is?
Ectropion.
Okay. Keep going, adding characters, H02.11.
Cicatricial ectropion of eyelid.
Eyelid, which is in the right path. And then you add the last character, H02.114.
Cicatricial ectropion of left upper eyelid.
And the equal sign at the end means that that's our answer. So the answer is H02.114. And we check in the book. And what problem is it? Number 4. Yes, that's it. So the answer is H02.114.
Well, we should demonstrate it in the tabular.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I forgot how to do the tabular in the book. Okay? So let's do that.
All right. Here we go. H02, other disorders of eyelid.
Okay, we're following the path, and then?
Then we go way down to the next column, H02.1, ectropion of eyelid.
Where is that? Okay, here. I'm sorry. Okay.
Then we go to the next character, H02.11, cicatricial ectropion of eyelid.
Mm-hmm.
Then finally, the last character we needed is H02.114, cicatricial ectropion of left upper eyelid.
Okay, and I skipped one step, but now we're gonna do it again. We're gonna check the book, and the book is exactly that, right?
Right.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Then we go to have ended by inviting you over to our website.
And this is our website. This is the address. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for visiting.